Nick, Holly junk removal. We just got called last night. Got the keys from a. So when you're working with a realtor, they'll just give you a call and say, "Here, here's a key for the lockbox. Go check and look, clean it out for us." So you gonna check and look? Open the door. Let's go see what we got. What's this all about? Let's see. Empty containers. That's empty. Got a barbecue in the backyard. Let's go see what's back here. The door's open. Swimming pool. I'll be on a swimming pool removal job. Look at that. The hauler junk removal out here. Remove a swimming pool. Check it out. Look how big that thing is. You get that thing done in 2 and 2. Got the barbecues. That's staying because they want that, I guess. I don't know. I don't know why, but that's what they want. And nothing on the side of the house, so let's go check out the inside. Some stuff in this room. Closets. Oh, there's some trash in there. Nothing too bad. Just a little cleanup. Another bathroom. Ooh, I wonder if these are gone. Those may be nice. Oh, those are heavy. Got some stuff in there. Probably just a rug. All the cupboards are empty now. I always check all the cupboards because that's extra. You may think, oh, there's nothing here. You open a cupboard and it's full. So this is a 2-story house. Let's see what's in here. Make sure you check everywhere. Kitchen. There's a bunch of trash in it. See, look at this shit. All these have stuff in them. Fire extinguishers, plates, fucking liquid materials. Look at that. Come in the kitchen. There's more. Look at that. This is why. This is why you look. Open all the cupboards, man. Because you're gonna find stuff. And that's gonna be extra. Open the drawers. Underneath the sinks, in these cupboards, make sure they're very empty. There's a little bit in there. Let's open this one. Nothing. What about here? Nothing. Refrigerator. Oh, there's food in here. So that's disgusting. Let's see, there's all that food. So all that stuff, it's cheddar. It's money. Got a baseball bat. In case somebody's upstairs. So let's see what else. Yeah, see there's shit. There's shit all down here. Tools, paint stuff, knick-knacky shit. What's this? What the fuck? Oh, tools. Check the garage. Let's see what's in there. Vacuums, brooms. What's in here? These are cool. Lids. Got another baseball bat. Got a bunch of sponges. Dang. Got some baked soda. Dang, that's a good one, dude. What else? Oh, it's... Oh. What is this? Oh, look at this cupboard. What's in here? Oh, it's probably like a table. Let's see. Oh, it's a fucking keyboard. There are some items. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll probably do this one tomorrow or actually next week after the New Year's. And we'll get her done. So stay tuned till the next one.